Lesson 11, Sound Monitor IoT Project. In this lesson, we'll show how to use sound sensor to detect the environment sound remotely. The parts needed for this project as is shown in this picture. Please set up the hardware according the circuit graph, then connect the IO board to PC via USB cable. This project needs to connect Arduino to Cayenne AI platform firstly. To learn how to set up Arduino, please visit Lesson 1. Enter your email and password to log in Cayenne platform, go to the dashboard. Click Add New, click Device Widget, choose Sensors Generic, click Digital Input. Widget name, the default name is Digital Input, we change it to Digital Sound Sensor. Select Device, choose Arduino Uno. Connectivity, choose Virtual. Because pins from V0 to V9 were used by other widgets, here we select V10. Widgets, choose To State. Click Step 1, Sketch File. The sample sketch will be displayed, but we don't use it in this project, we created a new sketch. Please download from this link. Copy and paste the sketch into Arduino IDE. Set virtual pin to the pin number you have selected, here is V10. Replace the token number with your own authentication token number. This number could be obtained from your Cayenne dashboard. Choose the board type Arduino Uno and correct port. Upload the sketch to your Uno board. Go to Cayenne dashboard, click Step 2, Add Sensor, then you should see the widget for sound sensor has been added on your dashboard. The sound sensor needs some calibration. Firstly, please take off wire from sound sensor out pin. Keep silent, then adjust the sensitivity by spinning the potentiometer. Please note the sound detected LED, green LED, keep spinning the potentiometer until the LED is almost out. You can understand the working of a sound sensor better from this image. When you speak or make noise intermittently near the sound sensor, you should see the data will change between 0 and 1. Next, we'll play some music to test the result. When the volume is higher, the value on dashboard turns to 0. When the volume is lower, the value on dashboard turns to 1. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit www.osoud.com.